Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a serial rapist that have been terrorizing some women in Portmore. And we have talked about this a lot recently with the amount of females getting killed and raped in Jamaica. Not only females, children and women in general, that there must be a serial rapist or serial rapists on the loose in Jamaica. And it's very possible that there can be one man and he's just moving from parish to parish doing his thing, because our criminal justice system is not up to par and we need like so many things. But anyways, let's get into the article. It says, Greater Portmore Police is conducting a major manhunt for a serial rapist who has been targeting women in Portmore, St. Catherine. The man targets single women or women with 1 or 2 children who don't live with men. We have 7 reported cases so far. We are investigating, but we don't really have any strong leads yet. But we know that he covered his head with a cloth with 2 eye holes cut out, so the woman can't identify him, and he then rapes them at knife point. Superintendent Clive Blair, head of St. Catherine Police South Division, told Loop News Claude Mills. The serial rapist broke into houses and attacked the victim, single woman and teenager, at knife point in several communities such as Bridgeport, Cumberland, Portmore Pines, which is where we stayed when we went to Jamaica, and several Stone. The senior cop said, noting that his victim ranged from 19 to 60 years old. So not even the old woman, them not safe anymore. He targets women who don't live with men, and he doesn't use condoms. So we have to alert women in these communities to be wary of strangers. Investigators are reviewing CCTV footage of the rapist and are compiling DNA rape kits so that they can track him down. Superintendent Blair said the serial rapist usually wears short pants which fall just below the knee, camouflage, a baseball cap, knapsack on his back, and cover his face with a cloth. He is medium built and of dark complexion. So if you're from the Portmore area, please be very wary. And that is why I say, how can a country make things like pepper spray and taser illegal? How can you do it? A woman can protect herself in Jamaica, and quite frankly that needs to change. And someone actually said that he's using sleeping dust to put on the woman when they are in the house, and that's how he raped them. Please be very, very careful if you're a female and in those areas. And also a quick tip, if you have a nail gun, or if you know where you can buy a nail gun, you can literally get the biggest nails available that can fit in a nail gun, put it in a nail gun, keep it underneath your bed, keep it underneath your pillow, and you can use that. Okay, you can nail him up, okay, if he comes into your house and you want to defend yourself. Also, I feel like every woman in Jamaica should have pepper spray or taser, whether you get it legally or illegally. We women have to protect yourself, and that's just what it is. I don't care if people say illegal, and you know, forget them, but protect yourself by any means necessary. And to all that women who have your licensed firearm, please make sure it's at your hand reach, so if a boy try anything, he'll be out cold. Okay? And also, it's everybody's right in Jamaica to own a firearm. If you're scared, if you don't know how to use one, there are places that teach you how to use one. Make sure you're using everything that is given to you at your disposal. I know it's probably expensive. I know it may be costly. I know it may be taking time out of your day to do something else, but if you can save your life with that, do so. like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below and tell what you guys think about the serial rapist. Do you think that he is just in the Portmore area right now and he's going to go to somewhere else? Do you think that there's more serial rapists in Jamaica, especially with the amount of rape cases that we've been seeing and missing women and missing children? Do you think that something needs to be done? And what are your thoughts on what needs to be done? Comment your suggestions in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.